Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. Today we will learn about tips to improve English speaking skills. If you are worried about your English speaking, then please be relaxed. Here I will share some of the tips to improve English speaking skills, by which you can improve your English speaking. Tip number 1. Keep clear idea about what you want to learn. Tip number 2. Finding the right resources and methods. You can learn through books, newspapers, YouTube channels, and our YouTube channel Academy, and also through television. Tip number 3. Learn grammar and rules slowly and gradually. By learning grammar and rules, you can improve your English. Tip number 4. Practice every day to accelerate learning. Tip number 5. Get a friend or a partner to help you along the way. They can help you by talking or speaking to you. Tip number 6. Practice speaking skills in front of mirror and talk to yourself. It will increase your confidence level. Tip number 7. Write down new words and memorize new vocabulary. Use the new vocabulary in your sentences. In the end, if you follow these tips, soon you will achieve your goals. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, share and subscribe our channel. If you like our video, please subscribe our channel, hit the bell icon to never miss any update.